Can you take it? I'll read you what it says. This poem was found written on the wall of a solitary confinement cell at Dulag Luft. Nearly all captured airmen, Allied airmen, were sent there to be interrogated before being assigned to a permanent prison camp. It's easy to be nice, boys, when everything's okay. It's easy to be cheerful when you're having things your way. But can you hold your head up and take it on the chin when your heart is breaking and you feel like giving in? It was easy back in England among the friends and folks, but now you miss the friendly hand, the joys and songs and jokes. The road ahead is stormy, and unless you're strong in mind, you'll find it isn't long before you're dragging far behind. You've got to climb the hill, boys. It's no use turning back. There's only one way home, boys, and it's off the beaten track. Remember, you're American, and when you reach the crest, you'll see a valley, cool and green, our country at its best. You know there is a saying that sunshine follows rain, and sure enough you'll realise that joy will follow pain. Let courage be your password, make fortitude your guide, and then, instead of grousing, just remember those who died.